electrical system is brought into a trailer either by an outside campground source or an onboard generator. Now this fifth wheel we have here has a 50 amp service, so we've got one of the quick connect plugs here. It's going to go on the outside, so we're going to have to come out here and plug this in every time, do a little twist on it, and then it has a little lock ring on the outside here and holds that in place. Now the nice thing about a 50 amp service is that I've got enough power then to run 2 roof air conditioners at one time. If I'm only at 30 amps, I'm pretty much limited to the front or the back if I want to use anything else inside the system. But now this is going to go into our distribution center. At the distribution center we'll have circuit breakers that are going to be used for our microwave, our roof air conditioners, the refrigerator that runs off of electricity. Now with a 50 amp service, if I happen to get into a campground that only has 30 amp or I'm storing it, then I need to use a reducer. And here we see a typical 30 amp, so it's taking the 50 down to 30 amp. I can plug this in, but then again I got to realize I'm only using a 30 amp service, so I got to be careful what I have inside. But during storage, this is a good reducer to use because I don't need to be running a whole bunch of stuff inside. I'm basically just keeping my batteries topped off and so forth. The nice thing about this storage facility is our owner here has actually dedicated a circuit to just this 30 amp. So we're not trying to plug into a residential one. A lot of people will pull up to their garage or a storage facility and they'll plug into a typical outlet, which is a 15 amp ganged with other ones here. This one's dedicated to 30 amp just for this, so it's a nice system. But overall, 50 amp service allows us to do both roof air conditioners. Nice, easy plug in here. The only other thing I would recommend before we wrap up here is make sure when you plug and unplug your cords that you shut the power off before you plug it in. Test the power before you plug it in at the campground source, but then also before you unplug it, shut the power off. If you plug it in, pull out, you're going to start getting little arcs coming from that campground source. That'll start to tarnish these probes in here, and once that starts to happen, it'll actually heat up and melt this plug, and we'll lose some power. So make sure you do that. So with this easy type of plug here, allows us to bring 50 amp service in. I can use both roof air conditioners and the microwave inside, so I'm not limited to what I have, or I can reduce it down to 30 amp. So this is a very nice system.